Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with my brand new Motorola G85 Android phone, and this time we'll be taking a look at the split screen mode. Okay, so split screen mode allows you to run any two applications at the same time, but do bear in mind it has to be any two applications that support split screen mode. Okay, so first of all, you'll need to enable split screen mode. So just simply pull down the notification panel twice, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says gestures, and then select swipe to split. Okay, so go ahead and turn it on, use swipe to split, and here you can try it out. So just run your finger across the display and back. And run your finger up and down if you want to return to full screen. Okay, so for this to work, you need to select an application first that you want to use. So let's say, for example, I want to browse the maps. I would open up the maps, then I'd close it back down. And let's say I want to use YouTube while browsing the maps. I would open up YouTube, and then I would simply just swipe backwards and forwards, and then I would select the maps that I had already opened up, and as you can see, it's now gone into split screen mode. So here at the top I have YouTube open, and here I have the maps open. So yeah, this is how you use split screen mode on the Motorola G85 Android phone. And if you want to put any of the applications here back into full screen mode, just swipe up or swipe down. So I've swiped down. As you can see, YouTube has gone back into full screen mode. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thought I'd just share this with you all, how to use the split screen mode on the Motorola G85 Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.